Hi folks, I guess I'm going to start with the drag strip. I kind of got this area clean now where I can kind of explain. Going to have sort of a road deal coming across here off the main strip here. Sorry about my voice, I've got some kind of laryngitis or something going on. Anyway, this will be the check-in shack, the racing fuel. I'm going to get some gas pumps to go there. You can kind of see how the wall's going to be. Still thinking about making this the timing tower and the main office and stuff. This is hiding some electrical stuff, another power source that I may use for the building lighting and stuff. Thanks, the cat just knocked the tripod over. So yeah, lost my train of thought. So obviously this will be the pits. This will be the spectator stuff, and like I said in an earlier video, there's going to be chain link fence separating the railroad track from the drag strip. I've got issues getting the cars stopped down here before they hit the wall. This post is going to come out. I'm going to do something on the outside of the track to support this corner. And what they do, I think starting here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but from this point on, this track is dead to slow them down. What I'm thinking about doing, once this post is out, extending it all the way to the wall, but putting some kind of magnet underneath, so when the cars come down here, they hit that magnet and stop. At least that's the idea right now. This is going to be the diesel shop. Like I said, it was over here at the drag strip, got moved over here, so there's quite a bit of work that's got to be done to this. We're going to have the tanks here. This will be a road here for an entrance and parking lot for Sandra's steam locomotive excursion, steam locomotive and depot house. Yeah, I'm gonna like I said, the cranes will be out back. I was gonna put them inside. She didn't like that idea, so since she's doing most of the work on this, she can have it the way she wants it. I'm gonna get inside and do some run footage. I was going to try to put this camera on a tripod and then put the other, the GoPro on the thing, and so you can kind of see both. Yeah, alright, I'll turn this off and get inside and we'll try that. Alright, so I thought while I'm back here I'd give a little tour what it looks like underneath here. Got the panel that pulls away from here. Then I use this little cart right here to scoot through and get in here. This is my workbench. The whole thing's on wheels, so I can pull it out. And it's also got this that pulls out. And I've got to get some better lighting in here. I've got to get a lighting that's dedicated to this so I can see. This is all rolling stock that needs work up top, and then buildings and detail stuff, and I just got through going through those boxes. But anyway, and you guys have seen the how I'm powering the track. Let me swing the chair around here. And, more buildings. This big box is buildings that I don't even have room for. Yeah, still need to go through those. This is some of the power tools and stuff like that I've got stashed back here. As you can see, I've still got literally a pile of flex track left. This is all the detailing stuff and where I keep that. That I'll be using here shortly. That's about it. The mountain's a mess. Like I said, I want to have this road right here is just going to come right off the table, but it's going to go up the mountain there through the covered bridge and down the other side. And like I said, I've got a couple of houses sitting here. I've decided to put the gas station there, and the road will turn and go into the wall, and I'm going to fake that to make it look like it continues. Every town needs a church. Really haven't decided what this is going to be. It may be what I was going to do is just use it like it was a building that company that just went under, and they turned it into a co-op kind of thing. And then the rest of the buildings and stuff, what I'm trying to do, a lot of the buildings are empty, they're just skeletons right at the moment, but I'm trying to get some dimensions here from watching a lot of YouTube videos and stuff like that. I want to I'm really trying to get that. Once the roads are in, the signage, telephone poles, all that sort of thing, it should look really, really cool. If half the stuff I've got planned actually works out, this is going to be really cool. Now I'm blocking the lights. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see, but let me try it this way. You can kind of see. And then there'll be more stuff down this way in the skyline sort of thing. Alright, let me shut this down. And something else, I don't know if I ever put this on video or not. Let me move the tripod. If I can turn this on with one hand. This is Maxwell House. They have a Maxwell House hotel downtown. There's quite a bit of history to it. Let me find the switch. Anyway, it's going to be on top of this building, which would look really cool, with a night scene with the lights in the building and everything lit up. So I'm going to shut this down. I'm going to get the tripod set up, and like I said, I'm going to try to do a run video. Let's call it a fake cab ride. I'll leave that alone for a second. Explain that. I'm going to have the construction thing push this, so that if it works, it'll simulate a cab ride. So let me shut this off and get to it. Alright, so the battery on the GoPro went dead. First thing I seen that's not going to work, it clips the gas station here. Like I said, what I'm wanting to do is have a road that comes up like this, goes through the covered bridge, back down this side, kind of circles around, and back into infinity. Got a house here, the church, another house. Like I said, probably going to be a co-op. Small little depot, and I don't know how much you can see. This ain't the way I wanted to do this, but that's the plan. And it's an overcast day. It's a lot brighter in here when I got the shades open. Anyway, bring you guys back when there's something else. Thanks. Sorry about the shaky cam there, guys. We're in Wartrace, Tennessee, in a little model train shop they got there, and decided to venture out away from town a little bit. And this is what we found. We're on a little one-car bridge. When I go up here and turn around, I'll get a shot as we go over. It's really cool. And they got like the train runs above here. A lot of people come here to rail fan, and I don't know if you can see the bridge we're on or not, but hoping to catch some moving trains, but haven't had much luck. With two of them went by while we were in the little train shop, but brought that GoPro too, right?
Yeah.
Could have probably put that on the hood or the dash, you know what I'm saying? Try to get the track runs right alongside this road here. In the little town, I'll show you on the way back when we turn around. I was really hoping do some rail fanning. I guess I should have grabbed the camera and walked outside when the two went by. I'm gonna shut this off and find a place to turn around, I guess. Bring you guys back in a minute. See the debris where it floods, so if it floods, you're not going anywhere till it goes down.
Yeah.
Is that a wagon or a?
I can't see.
I can't tell from here. I guess that's what you call a barn find, huh?
Okay.
See, you got a stop sign?
No.
That's they have a train show here. They've got one coming up the end of this month. And all this is opened up, and all this is part of the train show. This is the little model train shop we just visited, and a lot of folks just park here and rail fan and stuff. There's the guitar.
Up there somewhere, I thought.
This
Yeah,
is
right there.
pretty famous guitar builder here. This Gallagher guitar. Guitars are every bit as good as Martin, and some people think even better. So this is the little town of Wartrace.
So my best friends. Why do they gotta hide?
So that's what you needed, is two young ones.
Mm-hmm.